Good evening, guys. Shall we start our sessions?
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, hi, Lord.
Yes. Actually, why the Manihandan
Ma'am.
says no, madam? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, you are audible, not audible, ma'am.
Okay.
Not audible.
Okay, fine. I was
Mm.
thinking I just to be put it some message to
No, no,
chat box
no,
now. So that response
no.
I will get it. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank
But
you.
are you ready now to interact?
Yes, ma'am, ready, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Second. A few people are joining now. Okay, fine. Before we begin, I want you to imagine that you are the CEO of the global organizations. Okay. So your company is growing across different countries. Okay. Cultures and market, everything is different. Okay. So you need talented people. Okay. Just to imagine. So today, I'm going to introduce to you one person. Yes, his name is, yes, Alex. Okay, you just to be imagine. Okay, don't ask them who is Alex. Okay, Alex is very talented person. He has an MBA as well as he has multiple opportunities. Your organizations wants him. Okay, I already previously I told that in global market, please don't think that we don't get job. You having their record skill, right? Definitely you having multiple opportunities, right? Another thing is many corporate peoples lined up. Okay, so that much of one of the person is Alex having their multiple talent. Alex, so that's why the Alex has multiple opportunities also. Okay, but your organization, right? Your organization, you are the CEO in your organizations, the Alex is needed. Okay, but here my questions to you. If you recruit Alex today, okay, when does your responsibility for Alex begin and when does it end? The question is, right? The options are recruitment or the first day of work. Yes, the question is, when does your responsibility for Alex begin? The first question option is two. One is recruitment or second one is first day of work. The second question is, if you recruit the Alex today, right? When does it end? Okay. Until his resignations or it never really ends. Okay. So now no need you just to tell that answer, because the end of the sessions I will ask you the same questions. That time you just to be reply me. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
super. First we can see one by one. First, recruitment. Convince Alex to join your company, right? That is your primary task. So Alex has received two offer. Company A offer a higher salary, but company B, okay, offer a slightly lower salary, but promises international to give that international exposure, then give that international learning opportunities, the career growth. and meaningful work. Okay, this much of promises given to Alex. Okay, now the Alex is now sitting in front of you. Okay, if you were Alex, which company would you choose and why? You just do now. You imagine you are the Alex. Okay, so which company you should choose and why? Company A or company B? If company A means they are offer high salary, okay, but company B compare the A slightly lower salary, but the company B HR offer the, to give some promises regarding to offer more international exposure, to giving more learning opportunities in career growth. They will help you. Yes, they are providing more meaningful work. That much of promises given by HR side. Okay. Now you are Alex. You tell me which companies you are going to select. Company A or company
Company
B?
Company B.
Okay. Fine. Then who's tell
Ma'am,
that company
this
B?
is
Myself, Vijit.
Vijit. Okay, fine. Fine, Vijit. Why? I'm asking two questions, right? One is, okay, which company you are choosing? Good. You are saying that company B. Then reason?
Because we can get more international exposure and we can get some ideas of new culture and company procedures,
Oh,
policies, everything from not from our company, also from their international level also. So it may be
okay.
useful or in our future. For that,
Mm-hmm.
for example, if I work for 2 years in that company with the low salary,
Mm-hmm.
but I can get more exposure and more everything, I can gain more knowledges and I'm
Okay.
able to do something else if I left the company.
Okay.
If I'm joining other company, I can get more salary with the same experiences of the international exposures, everything.
Okay, fine. Vijit, actually, you are not a Gen Z.
No,
You are not a Gen Z guy.
not a Gen Z, I have
No.
90s.
Oh, that's why. Okay, okay. When the Gen Z years will start?
I hope it's after 95,
No, 1997 to 2013.
1997. Oh, fine. Okay.
Okay, after the 2013, after that, it's the alpha guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying that now that all the Gen Zs are expecting is just to be open-ended. They are focused only for art, that is return on investment, ROI.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
much
Yeah.
I'm spending to that education, how many years I'm just getting back. Okay, that's why I'm saying that. Don't mistake that it's just for fun.
Not
Yes,
at all.
fine.
Not at all, ma'am.
Yes. What about others' answer, please?
hi ma'am. It's myself Manigandan.
Yes, Mani, please.
I'm also select option B, ma'am, because
Okay.
of already the Vijit was explaining the same like that. Like
Okay.
we create a opportunity. Like I choose option B.
Okay.
I get more opportunity. I get more knowledge and the company policy everything. So
Mm-hmm.
it's create more opportunity for the
Super.
salary hike.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other options? Anybody who are choosing company A? Please understand that here no one answer is right or wrong. Okay. Your participation is more valuable. Okay. Any other options?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Hi.
Myself is Jafar.
Yes. Please, Jafar. Please.
I also choose option B, ma'am.
B. Okay. Fine. Okay. The reason, the same reason, or any different reason behind?
Because I was working already, ma'am, with a few more companies. So I know that.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So you are also willing to choose their B because you strongly believe that they are giving their best industrial exposure and international exposure, everything, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because I have already experience about it.
You know, guys, actually, the HR always saying truth or what? Why you are
Some
believing
companies they
the HR promises?
some companies are telling the truth, ma'am. Some companies are not.
So without paper evidence, how we can believe that, right?
Of course, yeah, true.
Ye-
Because
yes, ma'am.
without paper, there is no way we can believe them. There is no way.
Yes, yes. Because we strongly believe that marketing people's only telling their lies. It's not like that, right? The many corporate peoples, whatever may be, right? If they, if you want, they will take that. Okay, that is for. It's not a professionalism, but the question is not like that. Okay, but the HR is giving their promise, so we believe that. That is the way we just move on to that. Okay, excellent. Yes, of course, because the company B we are choosing, na, we get that more industrial exposure. Many peoples are just to think that today this bother about their today package everything. They don't bother about their future thinking at all. So the best option is B only, because the modern recruitment is not about the employer branding, right? It's employee value proposition, that the culture fit also. So the question is not only can we hire Alex, right? The question is why should Alex choose us? That is also most important, right? So that's why I'm asking you, oh, what is the reasons you are taking the role of Alex? You tell me. Okay, fine. Congratulations, the all Alex has accepted your offer. Yes, fine. But now your real challenges is begin, right? That is CEO challenges is begins. I already told that you are CEO of one global company, right? Okay. So in that perspective, you just to, again, your role is the CEO of one global company. Okay. That perspective, you just tell me. Okay. Second one is that is onboarding. After recruitment, yes, the Alex first 90 days will start. Okay. Where? Because the entering the concept of onboarding. Okay. So the Alex arrive on Monday morning. Okay. So
Ma'am, I have a question regarding about this.
yes, please, please.
It's 90 onboarding after that. Is 90 days mandatory?
Definitely. That's why I'm not explaining the concept.
Because
I'm explaining their example. Then you understand that. Okay. That's why the
okay,
today
ma'am.
section I'm not to
Because
explain. Yes, yes, please. Hmm.
because I work with few companies, so I know some companies give me like 6 months, some companies like 3 months. That's why I'm asking.
Mhm. No, that is also depends upon their policy, but labor laws tell that it's onboarding is 90 days.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, it's a based on country to country, the based on that the labor laws also it's different countries, different perspective. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yeah,
normally we can
yes.
say that normally in that Indian companies, even the Middle East countries also, they are following their 90 days. I hope that.
Yeah, ma'am. Myself is Maaz. I want to tell you that it was right actually, because as per UAE labor law,
Mhm.
at least you have, if you were managed to work at least like 3 months within 90
Mhm.
days,
Mhm.
you have the
Mhm.
absolute right to leave if there is a reason or a specific reason to leave the company. So
Yes, yes.
that's
Yes, actually, I was there in that Abu Dhabi universities. It was located in Abu Dhabi only in the year of, I was worked there for 1.5 years, 2017 to 2019, like that. That time I know the little bit, because that universities having some placement about their in and around company. So that's, I know that. But exactly, I'm not aware what is the things going on at present in that Middle East countries. Okay, fine. That's why I'm just to be taking today one example of Alex. I'm just to explain all the things about in and around of Alex only. Okay, I'm not explaining what is on board, what is the definitions at all. Okay, now I hope that this concept is helpful for you. Okay, we'll see in the end of the sections we assess now, then you will satisfied. Okay, today's section is good, otherwise we can I can change the next sessions. Okay, fine. Okay, so now we are go for onboarding sessions. Okay, the Alex first 90 days will start. Alex arrive on that first day morning. Okay, his laptop is not ready. He does not know where to sit. Okay, he does not know who is his manager. I mean, reporting authority. Nobody introduce him to the team also. Okay, at lunchtime, he eats alone. So put yourself in Alex's positions. What is the first thought that comes to your mind? You face this much of real problem in your you were joined somewhere, na? That time you face such a situation.
No, ma'am, I did not face like this. But wherever
Okay.
I join, they will, when I go to the company, they will guide me to where I have to go,
Okay.
who I
Maybe
have
that
to meet.
company is very good companies.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Especially in this
Any,
kind of situation, I think we feel confused and like, we don't know where because it's new place. So it's like
so what is
not
your
sure
decisions?
situation.
Maybe you face such a situation. What is your decision on that first day?
I will look for someone who I can just report to or say something. Ask them about like where I should start or how I will do it.
Okay, fine. Any other answer? Maybe I was faced the situation now. Maybe I just to be take that other decisions. I immediately I quit the job also. Maybe that is for my perspective. Any other? Any other answer is there?
Maybe the Alex, maybe he thought he made a wrong decision, and if the other way around, he can go back to HR and he can talk to HR. What is the correct procedure and who is the reporting manager and where is his desk? This kind of
Good,
things.
good. Actually, that's why I'm saying that onboarding also most important. The first impression is the best, right? The X theory and Y theories, the X always danger. Okay, because that X theory people now, it's not a self-motivated people. Immediately they take their decisions or otherwise to keep some wrong perspective in their mind, always look after that, that negative mindset. Okay, I was arrived in that first time, I faced the problem. Okay, what is that company? So immediately to get it all the things in a negative sense. Okay, that is also automatically to affect their employee potential. Okay, that is it's the 4 or 5 employees to face such a potential na, so automatically the company's outcome, right, it should be declined. So this is also one of the reason. Not only I'm saying this is the more this is only a reason. Okay, this is also one of the reason. Okay, so onboarding also most important for any companies. Okay, now imagine that you are Alex HR manager. Okay, you have only 24 hours to fix these situations. Okay, so what are the situations what are the things immediately you arrange to Alex?
His cabin and tools to work with, whatever the laptop or the monitor and the system.
Okay, fine. So you are arranging their laptops. Okay, fine. Apart from that, any other things?
HR has to
We can.
meet
With his colleagues.
Okay.
Introduction or
Okay, you
induction?
introduce their colleagues. Okay, fine.
Induction.
Yes, Aminat?
Induction training.
Orientation.
Induction training. Okay,
Yes,
orientation.
HR, HSEQ, all kind of.
Okay,
Supposed to
fine.
be.
Then
Hi, ma'am. It's myself, Manigantan.
Hi, yes, please.
Same. I arranged the mail ID and induction training planning
Mm.
and
Mhm.
welcome gift.
Welcome kit.
And yeah,
In that welcome kit, we having 100, minimum 100 or 150 pages of SOP, right? Standard operating procedure, do's and don'ts, right? Fine. Okay.
okay.
Which is more important on day one, giving Alex for 100 pages of company policies or SOPs, or you feel like that making Alex feel that he belongs? Which one is you feel like that? It's good.
Safe and comfortable around other people. When you feel
Yes,
belong.
fine. Exactly. Onboarding is about belonging, clarity, connections, and confidence. Okay. So the recruitment bring the employee to the door, right? But onboarding determine whether the employee feel they made it the right decisions. So that is more important, right? To recruitment, it is not a biggest deal, okay, but after the recruitment, right, the onboarding only to determine whether the employees feel they made the right decisions or wrong. Okay, fine. Then just to imagine Alex is joining your company from another country. Okay, so what additional onboarding challenges might he face?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
We need to arrange the welfare facility first to the employee onboarding.
Fine. Hmm. Suppose one person just to join for another country, right? So what are the comfortable, yes, comfort you want to be arrange them as a company HR? What are the comfort you arrange them?
First thing, when he travel, no, we have to arrange a driver or something. Then comes the accommodation, the foodings.
Good, good. Few days we allot them for remote working also, right?
Yeah,
Then
sometimes
proper
we
visa.
try to.
Yes, yes, the proper visa arrangements, right? The proper guidance, right? Then the cultural differences, right? Then we can arrange one or two local trips. Local trips means at least where is the vegetable shops available? Yes, what is the
Sometimes
culture of
we
our
arrange.
region?
Sometimes we arrange medical insurance. Sometimes.
Good, good. Yes, yes. What is the local insurance policies? Yes, what is the road? Yes, the some policies, right? Yes, definitely. Yes, even that the communication styles, right? That things
True.
we want to be arranged. Good. So, okay. Then onboarding also completed. What is the next? We want to give
Development.
development opportunities. Alex wants a future, right? So the Alex has now completed 2 years, okay, in your company. He is performing well. One day, Alex walk into his manager office and ask one simple questions. What is my future here? Okay. So if you were Alex manager, what you would you say? Suppose Alex ask you, yes, what is your reply?
We'll
We
talk
don't
about
have.
for the salary hikes and other facilities.
Uh-huh. No. His question is very simple, right? What is his question?
What is his future in the company?
What is my future? Okay, right? He's
Yes, yes.
not expecting their salary, right? He's expecting growth. right?
Yep.
Suppose
Yep.
the manager says that, yes, just continue doing your job, we will see later. Yes, that much of answer you shared to Alex, right? What happened next? Alex become demotivated, right? Then looks for another job or stop learning, right? The competitors hire him also. Maybe the possibility is there, right? So you are now Alex HR leadership team design 5 points development plan. Okay, suppose, right? No one, I hope that the government office may be the given that irresponsible answer, right? In corporate people it's not like that. If anywhere you can see the people are very ideal, the people's directly voluntarily just go and approach their managers, what is our next plan, what is our next future. It's not like that. Okay, we don't have to think at all continuously 24/7, right? 24/7 we having lot of works. Where is the time to think what is next, right? Maybe it is everything, it's imagination only. That's why I'm asking the questions. Okay, because I am expecting you are in the HR leader position. Okay, what designing your employee development? The employee already completed 2 years in your company. Okay, so onboard was completed almost, not almost, it's completed 1.5 years before. Okay, so what is the next plan of that employees? What
ma'am.
way you helping him to develop? That is my simple question.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Sorry.
Because every company has a different policy, ma'am. Some companies they increase salary every month. Some companies, like if
Every
you work
month?
in every
Every
year,
month?
ma'am. Every year.
Okay, okay,
Sorry,
fine.
sorry.
Sorry, please,
Every
if any companies that much of salary given, please tell me. I am also try to apply. Okay.
No,
Yes,
I'm
fine.
sorry. It's my mistake. The
Okay.
every year they will increase the salary, maybe like 5% or 10% according your basic salary. Some
Okay.
companies, if you're working with that company like 2 years or 3 years or a few more years, they will change your position.
Okay. That is promotion you are saying like that. Promotion or it's job rotation?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's promotion. If you are labor, they will give you foreman.
Okay, fine. Yes, Abhinand.
I believe that KPI is very important. KPI implementation. So in the corporate industry also KPI having a very important role. So we can decide the employee having a key performance in the company in the last previous years, and decide we can
Okay.
decide his promotion, salary promotion, all kind of this bonus, all kind of things in this. We can evaluate with the KPIs.
Okay, fine. Ashwin Kumar also just to be posted his answer in the chat box. If the students are willing, at least yes, just to not ready to open up now. At least you post your answer in the chat box itself. Okay, thank you. Yes, fine. Definitely, the HR leader team. We want to have some development plan of our subordinates. Okay. Subordinates means I'm saying that the HR team people want to be make that proper care yes to our workers. Okay, not only giving their proper KRI KPI is it's not only a solutions. They want to give the chances to develop their skills also. Yes, what should Alex learn in that next 2 years, right? To giving their task. Another thing is what challenges, yes, what different assignment should he get, right? Then who should guide him? Then what new experience should he receive? What responsibility should he take? Yes, that is exposure purpose. We giving their extension hands of mentors to give their right challenges. We give some skills requirements, right? Everything we want to give, right? So the development is not simply sending that the employees, once again. Sorry. Yes. Actually, the development is not simply, sending the employees for training. Okay. The development is about, it's a creating future capability. So if employees cannot see a future in your organizations, right? So, they will start searching for one somewhere else. So that is most important, because even starting the time, starting the sessions, the two or three of them said, na, because you are focusing on their development, right? So that is the thing. The development also most important in that employee life cycle. Okay. The employees not only think that for salaries, right? Apart from that, they are expecting some development, right? So otherwise they searching they are somewhere else. Okay. Next one is retain. That is the fourth stage is retain. The competitors call, maybe you having, yes, skill, you develop, yes, some leadership skills, you develop some extraordinary knowledge, skills and challenges facing, right? That decision making skill, problematic skills, problem solving skills, emotional stability, because that through experience we get it lot of things, right? So automatically, right, you just to think that the 3 or 4 years you complete one organizations, your service should be completed. So automatically the competitors should call you, right? Because previously I told that now poaching concept is very familiar. Poaching means, for example, you are working with a Wipro company, okay? But the the Wipro competitors is somewhere, some Infosys or TCS or whatever may be, the IT based companies. Yes, some competitors company, you take Infosys. Okay, the Infosys just to given that advertisement for recruitment, means that is normal recruitment concept. Okay, suppose the Infosys calling for some competitors employee. For example, you are working in Wipro, so the Infosys calling to you, right? You just to be joined with my company, I am giving 40% of salary hike. So that much of things, this concept means that is poaching. If some, why the poaching concept will happen na? Because if you take, yes, you just to be joined there, no need to give the specific training to you, because it is a competitors company. So the all the KPI, KRI, yes, the challenges, everything moreover similar to competitors company. Okay, so no need giving their training. So the training cost is very, there's training cost also save for that company. Okay, so the poaching concept, using their poaching concept to recruit 40 faculty, 40 staff or 50 staffs na. So automatically the lakhs of training amount will be saved. Okay, another thing is not only the amount wise, automatically immediately to start their another projects, okay, new projects also. But in that poaching concept, some of the challenges is there, that is different, okay. But nowadays it's a very famous. Yes, the poaching concept, first time the 2013 the poaching concept was happen in the Deloitte and KPMG, both that financial service based companies, okay. The 2013 the KPMG, yes, employees, more than 300 employees at a time to shifted to Deloitte, okay. That time all the peoples, all the corporate peoples, just to be little bit and negative impressions created by Deloitte companies, okay. So but nowadays it's a very familiar for poaching concept. So why I'm saying that, if you having their talent, if you having their skills, automatically you get the call from competitors. So now the Alex is highly skilled, you just to think that, so the competitors approaching him, they offer him a 40% salary increases. So the Alex call you, says, I have another job, so what will you do, okay. So nowadays that peoples are very straightforward, okay, I'm having 2 to 3 offer, what about your salary hike, or what about our promotions, everything, okay, directly they will ask. So the one reason why Alex should stay, you tell me, he having 2 to 3 offer, okay, why the Alex, the same company, he want to be stay? Any other reason is there? Any reasons or behind? Any reasons? What happened?
Maybe he is getting more exposure for a new innovative skills or something. If he continue in that company with kind of more training with experienced people, maybe he can work, and it will be help for his future and for his development, especially for his increment and all. Definitely they will. Maybe he can stay if he get a more salary hike or something because of this, or kind of any trade test or something he can achieve with the targets. Then there could be a chance, I think.
Actually, many of the faculties are staying, they are working the same company more than 20 years, more than 15 years. Yes, did you hear that? Yes, of course. Many
Job
of the,
security.
because the reason is, the comfort zone, maybe the culture, they like that same company culture, maybe they like their recognitions, okay, the same community based, any corporate or something, yes, the local based companies, they are not bothered about their development, okay, they bother about their comfort zone, like that. So that much of reason I'm asking that, if anyone staying in that same company na, so at least they realize their work life balance, right? They realize they are very comfort zone in that particular, right, company, or otherwise some of the reason is there, right? They like that particular company leadership, yes or no? Because that I was also stayed more than 5 years in that one university. Yes, that time I was feel like that university is it's having lot of growth opportunities. I was feel like that that leadership is very good. Yes, I was more respected. So that much of reason is behind, na, that much of reason I'm asking. Yes, Harikumar to shared some few reasons. Very good. Apart from that, Ayusha?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I said the same. People stay for their comfort zone. They are so comfortable with their colleagues and their leaderships and whatever the
Okay.
workspace they are in.
Yes, fine. Thank you. Any other reasons are there?
I think maybe they got the same promotions and everything that they expected. And then also initially when they joined the company or the firm, so whatever they agreed, they got it. So it seems like the
Oh,
company
maybe
is
the
reliable.
agreement, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Some of the
Reliability,
committed. Okay.
maybe they are.
Fine, good. Okay. Yes. You know, here no one talk about that salary part, right? So how will you convince Alex to stay? Because the thing is, lot of reason is behind. Okay, we are giving their suppose the Alex to feel like that he's involved more development related things, maybe he more respected, maybe lot of chances to give them to for career growth, for example international exposures like that, right? So these are the things automatically that the welfare and security measures. Yes, the laborers mainly expected their labor that welfare as well as security measures. Okay, that is very comfort. We are giving their uh, perfect in that welfare facilities as well as that security measures, automatically the employees to retain their companies. We don't have other choices. So the HR create the system, but the employee often experience uh, that is the organization through their immediate manager. Okay, the HR only create the system, but the employee retain that is based on their hands of reporting authority, that is immediate managers or something. Okay, because that HR always not to seeing, always not responsible to everyone. Okay, so that suppose we just to think that the company is too good, but our immediate reporting authority is something rude, or the something misbehave, something it's creating some messy, so definitely we think them the switch over to other job, right? That is like that. So the if retain someone it is the hands of immediate manager also, right? Okay, next final one is offboarding. That is, yes, the final stages of boarding. That is the Alex decide to leave. Okay, after 8 years the Alex resigned. Okay, so he has accepted a senior leadership position with some other company. So what is your first reaction as HR? You are a HR manager, you think that, what is your reactions? You
Probably
treated as enemy or what?
probably we will try to convince him to stay.
Fine.
And then maybe we will sorry.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Haima.
If he is getting more good opportunity from here to there, so the HR will be congratulation him.
Yes, very good. That is also one of the part of offboarding. Yes, won't treat them for enemy. Yes, won't treat them disappointed. Yes, good. Then in offboarding, for the congratulations. Then suppose you are the HR manager, you congratulate your employees, right? That's it.
And then
We will
because
give a farewell send off party,
Send off party. Okay.
and
and
then
we will
after the
celebrate all the employees, because he's going for some higher position also with the
Everyone are
new
here in the very
experiences.
positive mindset. I'm very proud. Okay.
and then
Okay.
Maybe we can give
That's
him
it.
the another chance if he want like in future also, like, ma'am.
Yes,
You can
of
just tell
course.
him that you can come back anytime and we are ready to take you back.
Very good. Because the Alex is leaving as an employee, but he can become your alumni, right? Brand ambassador, maybe the customers, maybe in future in business partner, or even the future rehire also. Yes, now one girl is said yes, in future it's possible for rehire also. So you have only 10 minutes with Alex. Yes, before he leaving. Okay, you think that what 5 questions you will ask to him? Exit interview. We said like that, na? Did you hear the word exit interview?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
one employees, yes, one employees leave that organizations, yes, the final, the one of the final formalities of offboarding is exit interview, right?
Yeah.
In that
Yes.
exit interview, some of the questions want to be, the HR want to be asked them, right? Because the, what is the reason? Why the exits interview is needed?
Why the employee was leave this company? So conduct if any employee was resign the company, they are conduct like the
Yes,
form set of
fine.
form is
Definitely.
there.
Yes,
There was some set
the
of questions like
experience.
yeah, well,
Mm.
what is the reason? So
Mm.
the employee was leave this company. So need to improve that particular area. It's really that the employee feedback is very
Definitely, because their experience, na, they had, which your company organization will continue to influence your reputations, right? So that purpose the exit interview is needed. Suppose you get that much of opportunity to review your employee, especially Alex. Okay, so Alex, the Alex experience is 8 years in your company. Okay, yes, the first 2 years he performing well, right? After that, after completion of onboarding, yes, he just to be performing well, he getting more skills. Yes, he developed more skills also. That's why he got that more call from competitors companies, like that, right? So the 4 stages, right? And just to be given all the example only Alex only, that's why I'm asking that. Suppose the Alex now going to relieve to your company. Okay, so you, what are the questions you ask to Alex? Only 5 questions.
We can ask the pros and cons of our company, ma'am, so that we can have an idea, like, should we develop something or should we have any bad, something like that.
Okay, any positive or negative about your
Yeah.
company? Fine, good. Another questions, any other one?
We can just ask him if there's anything in such that we could have done differently, or maybe something else, so that we can make you stay or something like that.
Okay, he faced any problem about immediate reporting authorities, right?
Yes,
Okay,
and then
any
also
bad experience to faced? Okay.
yes, and then we can just ask him also, in which situation, like, did it really push you to look for a new job?
Okay, good. Any other?
And like, I think the final thing would be like, in case if he's leaving for good, maybe he can like does he think like it's like our company is like, if someone is looking for a job like that, if he would recommend our company to another one, or is our company something like that,
That is
recommendations, if it's
okay.
good
We
one
get
or
some
not.
help from him, but it's not a exit interview, na? Okay, fine. Actually, if possible, we will get it. What is that future opportunities, right? Why he's shifted that opportunities? Anyway, we just to be given that permissions to congratulate, we just to send a party. Everything is fine. At least we want to be the exact reasons, na, why he just to be shifted to another company. Oh, okay, right? So what is the difference from our company to that companies, or what is the basic reason is behind? So that is, the that informations, it's helpful for the exit interview. Should not be a formalities. Okay, it should generate, the organizational learning. So the employee may leave your organization, their experience they had with your organization will continue to influence your company reputations. Okay, the final challenge. Okay, you are the global HR director. Okay, now I'm giving you final challenge. Okay, I'm just to be showing here. Okay. One second. Okay. Yes, here it's display the 5 stages na. So you have a limited HR budget. Okay, you are working as a HR director of one global company. Okay, you have a limited HR budget. Okay, you can invest heavily in only 2 stages of the employee life cycle. Okay, heavy budget. Okay, so which 2 will you choose? Actually 5 stages there na. Recruitment stage is there, onboarding, development, retain, offboarding. 5 stages are there. Okay, so which stage the heavy investment is needed? First you tell me that, next we'll go there.
It will be retain basically.
Which stage it's needed heavy investment?
Maybe in the development and retain, ma'am.
Development and retain. That is your perspective. Good.
Yeah.
Then any other options?
Yeah, I will say retain as well. It will be more invested compared to the 4 other stages.
It's okay. Retain another 1 stages. I'm asking 2 stage.
Oh, if it's 2 stage, it will be development and retain. It will be.
Okay, your answer also development and retain. Good.
I would say onboarding and development.
Onboarding and development.
Yes.
Okay. Any other options? It's okay. If someone says, yes, retention. Okay. So what happened if you retain the wrong person? Tell me. If someone says it's a development. Okay. What happened if you develop your best employee and then lose them? Okay, you try to develop your employees. Okay, after getting their skills, after developing their knowledge, what is the guarantee the people is retain your company?
Like, if I want to answer that, maybe it depends on the employee's level of experience or level of adaptation. Like, for example, if the employee got all of the important information of all of the policies and the companies and how that works, and they got the development they needed, but when it comes to their critical part, which is the retaining, sometimes with just one simple situation or one simple moment that happened to them in their daily life, basically in their work life as an employee, it may destroy their confidence and may sometimes they don't know how to adapt, basically.
Yes, exactly. Yes, I'm just giving one simple story here. Okay, just for 2 minutes. Okay. A teacher just to be entered into the classrooms carrying 2 balloons. Okay, one balloon was filled with ordinary air, the another balloon was filled with helium. Okay, the teachers released both balloons. Okay, the balloons filled with ordinary air, it's fell to a ground. Okay, but the helium balloons, it slowly rose towards ceiling. Okay, the teacher asked the questions, the students yes replied. The teachers asked the questions, why the balloon yes, the one balloons did rise, and while another didn't. Okay, the students replied, because it had helium. Okay, the teacher said, exactly. Okay, because it was not the color of the balloon, right? It is not its size. Okay, it is exactly, it was what was inside that make a difference. Okay, so here the anyone success will never stop. Okay, what they come from, yes, what is their background, everything. Okay, actually what truly matter is what is inside. Okay, especially the employee discipline, the what that employee, yes, the employee honesty, the employee willingness to learn, that is matter. Why I just to share that story na, because uh, that is the thing. In any stages, yes, we can't find out about their humans. Okay, the human is very different, right? We can't expect because that the productions 5 M's are there: money, men, money, machines, materials, and methods. Yes, all four, rest of the fourth thing is dead resources, we can easily manage. But the active resources na, the men, that is human resources, we can't able to manage very easily. Okay, so that is the very challenge in the HR department. Here no one, previously I told that this is right, this is wrong, this is a high investment stage, this is less investment stage. It's not like that. Okay, depends upon our employee only. Okay, so the thing is, if the employees, yes, we want to develop, that is our company responsibility. Okay, if develop, automatically the employees proudly feel that the 90% of employees to retain the same companies. Definitely the 10% exceptional cases will be there anywhere. Okay, we can't bother about their 10%. Okay, still many companies, I don't know their comfort zone, I don't know their leadership skill, I don't know some other uh, uh, things. If you just to take that Google, or if you take that Infosys, or if you take that any familiar, yes, that Deloitte, if you take any familiar companies, right? The Hyundai, many of the companies, yes, the employees or stay back more than 10 years, more than 20 years, until they lose their job. Yes or no? So that is the success of the companies. Okay, so the companies really give their proper onboarding systems, the company give the proper development systems, the company follow their proper retain systems, automatically the offboarding rate is very, very less. Okay, I hope that the Alex example, it's work out here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the final message of today session is, the recruitment, it's we attract the right person. That's it. The recruitment stage is we attract the right person. Okay, but onboarding, we make the person feel they belong. Okay, the development means we help the person grow. Retain means we give the person reasons to stay. Okay, the offboarding, we ensure the relationship ends professionally and positively. Okay, so the recruitment brings people in, onboarding makes them belongs, development helps them grow, retains, retention gives them a reason to stay, and offboarding determine how they remember you. Okay, so the final questions. Okay, suppose if you become an HR leader tomorrow, okay, which stage of the employee life cycle will you personally take the most responsibility? Just for my curiosity purpose, I'm asking that. Start with Manikandan, because today Manikandan just to given more answer. Manikandan, then Fadul, then Ayusha.
From the
This
first
is
day
for
itself.
yes. Vineet, yes. Sorry, Vineet, I didn't get it.
From the first day itself.
Which stage I'm asking?
Recruitment stage.
Recruitment. Good. Then Fadul?
Yeah, I'm also recruitment.
Yeah, it will be also, I will go with recruitment as well.
Recruitment. Good. Yes, fine.
For me, I
Actually,
think
mom, it's Maaz, actually. It's Maaz.
Okay.
For me, I think I would go with development. You know why?
Okay.
Because people can forget anything, but the things, skills, and knowledge they learn, they never tend to forget. And then they will always
Okay.
remember.
Good.
That's what I feel.
So you feel like that this is not only the HR responsibility, it's helpful for brand reputations, right? The company brand reputations. Good. Then, okay. Today I'm very happy. Yes, many of the girl students also just to be participate our interactions every week. Yes, that interactive percentage. Yeah, the person counting is increased. I'm so happy for that. Yes, why I'm taking this topic today? The reason is not only you want to be well versed of HR. Yes, that reason it's not. It's a primary for me. Second thing is, whatever maybe, we are that engineering background, we are that management background, or finance guy, marketing guy, whatever maybe, we are also one of the person we want to be work somewhere, right? We want to be understand what is recruitment, what is onboarding, what is development, what is retain, what is offboarding. That's why I'm just to taking that sessions. Okay, I hope that this sessions is little bit helpful for you, yes, to understand where we are. Okay, thank you so much. If having any queries, please ask me.
No, thank you, mom.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, please.
at the beginning, you give me the one question.
Yes. Did you find the answer?
No. No, I just want to. Can you repeat that question again, ma'am?
Yes. Okay, I will repeat that questions. Just for 2 minutes, I forget that questions also. One second.
Because
I will recall only 1 minute.
okay.
Okay. Okay, the question is. Okay. Anyone? Did you remember that?
The company
Yes,
A
I'm
and the
asking
company B.
that, yes, no, it's not like that. Yes,
It's
now I
he's
remember that. Yes.
he's
Suppose,
telling.
right? If
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
yes. Sorry, ma. If you
Can
recruit Alex today, right? Where does your responsibility for Alex begin? It is first option is recruitment. Second option is first day of work. Now you tell me.
option is
Thank
A,
you.
ma'am.
Recruitment, of course.
Recruitment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other option is there?
Because
Yes.
you
Of
only give
course,
us two options,
the
ma'am.
Alex responsibility. Yes,
Yes,
not in the
yes.
company responsibility. This is for Alex responsibility. So the Alex responsibility starts from onboarding. Onboarding means what is that? Meaning first day of work. Right?
Okay.
Okay, fine. The second one is when does it end? Yes, when his service will end. The option is until resignations, or it never really end? What is your options?
Until resignation.
Yes, because my question is when the service will end. Okay, until his resignations. Okay, suppose my questions was, yes, how long his relationship maintained that particular company. What is your answer?
It will never
It
end.
never really ends.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Maybe, for example, I was resigned one university 10 years before. Still I was the BOS member of that university. Okay, so that much of relationship, it's never end. Okay, so based on that questions only. Thank you so much. Actually, may I know that person names, the to reminder that questions?
My name is Muhammad Jafar, ma'am.
Okay, Jafar. Actually, you know that we are normally we are saying that take their ownership. Yes, normally everyone, the company side or education side, any sectors, we can say that take that ownership. Yes, I just to feel like that. Yeah, this time you are taking their ownership. The ownership is nothing. It's taking some commitment. Okay, thank you so much, Savar. Thank you so much. Yes, if you having any queries,
Ma'am, I would like
any
to know the
questions?
last one when you said recruitment is attractive the right talent, and what is that for the retain and the exit one, the offboarding one? Like actually you gave.
Actually, no. Actually, recruitment, it is the attractive part. Okay.
Yeah. I'm asking for
Onboarding
the
means
retain. What is that?
retaining means we want to be stay. The reason, some reasons we need to stay, right? That is retain. Are you got it?
Yes, ma'am. Like
For
you
example,
said, like
I'm
for
just to
each
be.
word, for each life cycle, you gave certain terms. So for the retain and offboarding, I couldn't
That is
understand.
retain means the reasons to stay.
Okay. And what about the offboarding one?
Offboarding means the term that is the mutual understanding.
You said something different last time, so I was wondering. Was like just forgot that.
Yes. Actually, I want to prepare any standard notes at all. Right? Whenever I'm teaching, now it's different words will come. Okay, but the terminology is same only. Okay, suppose we prepare some notes. We just to go for along. I mean the sequence of notes. Now we can get it that exact words. Okay, that is the reason.
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, suppose maybe I'm just to using their word, maybe the relationship end professionally, maybe I'm using that word. Yes, the relationship end professional, that is offboarding.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, in onboarding, the person feel they some belong. Okay, that much of word maybe I'm using. Development means the person grow, maybe I'm using familiarly, I'm using that word. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you. Any other questions, ma? Anyone? Okay, you don't have any queries, please leave the sessions, or if you want to share any feedbacks, please share with me your expectation of next classes, any whatever may be, positive or negatives. Feel free, share with me. It's okay, you don't have any queries, please leave it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thanks, ma.